Well, what we found out was, now I told you guys about the power of this Evolution engine in a previous video. Okay, and we had some broken parts and we put it all back together, and then we went and laid a hot lap right on out of the neighborhood. I mean, that's just how we leave the neighborhood. Normal every day, turned up and black patch. But what had happened was, I thought I had a belt slapping because I had this clacking going on, clack, 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 clacking, and but I felt my belt and I was like, damn, that belt, it doesn't feel any different than when I installed it brand new. It's tight, it's right. And I was looking around, checking every bolt. Oh shit, what's that? What the hell? What is that? That did not used to be there. Oh wait, hold on a sec. That goes all the way back there? That's a crack. That's a crack in my inner primary. On the 98 Evolution Harley Davidson. I mean, I know this thing's got a lot of power, and I'll lay down a big black patch out of the neighborhood, but that's a lot of power.